How to use Trust Wallet on PC or laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can use Trust Wallet on PC or laptop. In order to use Trust Wallet, you have to first of all open up a browser and you can install it from the Chrome Web Store, or you can go to the official website. I'm just going to install the extension from Chrome Web Store. So for that, type in chromewebstore.google.com and that's going to take you to this page, and on the search box you have to go ahead and type in Trust Wallet, and after you locate Trust Wallet, go ahead and install the application by tapping on the link and click on Add to Chrome. After the extension has been added, now you can go ahead and create an account. So click on Add Extension one more time, and as the extension has already been added, now you can go ahead and extract the file or just locate that. So as you can see that the Trust Wallet has been added, now you can go ahead and open it up. Now you can just go ahead and tap on create a new wallet, and you can set a password and you can begin with the procedure of creating your account. So that is how you can use Trust Wallet in your PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.